Hello YouTube, and today we're going to be working on a new project. This project was made back in 2013 um, by a publisher on YouTube, and this is on the topic of voice recognition. And today what we're going to do is we're going to uh, tackle a little bit more on a project that was already started. So, some of you have seen this online, and let me show you a little bit. So, yeah, basically, what this person has done was able to capture voice recognition by setting some commands and some rules where he's able to call out the colors, and the speech recognizer recognizes the word, and it displays the actual color. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you guys how what else you can do with this code that's already made, and I think the best way of doing it is to show you. So first thing, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what the code looks like. Um, so we have import system.speech and the beginning of the form, and here we're going to set Reco as recognize a speech recognition engine, and then synth is synthesize.speech synthesizer, and we're calling synth to actually speak and then apply a color to the form. So here's the form, and in the form, when we're loading it up, we're loading the grammar, we're loading the color rules and the color lists. And after reloading it, then we're going to execute the recognition, and we're going to start listening for specific words. So just like he said, this is a basic and simple code. It actually ends right here, and these are just normal cases that he's using to make the color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to use this same code, modify it so that you can actually build a, um, virtual assistant or a helper, or someone that's going to talk back to you instead of popping up red and green. So let's get to it. We're going to start a new project, and we're going to name the project whatever you like to name it. Name mine Hello Sir. I like to be called Sir. Say OK. So we're starting a new project. This project right here is the one I've been working on maybe a couple hours ago, and we'll get to that point. I just want you to see how simple it is in making a voice recognition. As you can see, my previous one is called Lucy Max, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you um, basics of how to start this. Let's go into our code. what we're going to do is we're going to copy this code. That way we have something fresh to work on. Actually, let me cover this one. It's gonna be and what we're going to do is we're going to overwrite what we have now. Do a paste. And we always want to make sure, so you can see there's errors. And there's going to be errors because we need to import system.speech. So what we do is we're going to go project, add reference. I'm going to click on the assembly, go down to system.speech. What we're going to do is we're going to say OK. And as you can see, I have no more errors. So everything should be running fine. So just to test it out, let's run the code. And I'm not sure if you're able to listen to the recognizer, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you know what words I'm saying, how it's coming out. So these are the commands right here that is set up. And right now I'm going to call each command. Green, blue, red. Okay, so that's how that works. So when I first got that code, I was trying to figure out if there's an easier way of actually making this red to actual commands. And I said, why not? All I really have to do is change here. Instead of red, let's say hello. And here, instead of green, let's say good day. And we'll leave the last one for last as blue. So I know it's not that easy just to put in a couple words and that's it. You have to come up here, you have to change these same ones. So for hello, we're going to overwrite red. Looks like my processor is running kind of hot today. I have a lot of work that needs to be done. And it looks like it's going to take its sweet time. Oh boy, here we go. So, gonna have to pause the video for now. Okay, so we're back. Okay, so hello needs to be changed here from red to hello. And green, we said it was good day. And we left blue like it is. So good day, hello, and blue. So now we're gonna run it again. Hello. good day. Okay, so as you can see, it's working. Hello gave me red, good day give me green. So instead of working with colors, I think we should work with something else. Maybe a message box? And I'm assuming everybody knows how to do this, so just go with the flow. So when I say hello, I would like a message box to say hello to you too, sir. And for a good day, good day to you, sir. So now we have a function of a message box when we say hello, and we have a function message box when we say good day. Let's run the codes. Hello. As you can see, it's saying hello to you, sir. And then the next function would be setting the back color to color red. Good day. Blue. Blue. Okay, so yeah, that's how you add those functions. And as you get more ideas, you're going to realize that setting message boxes and setting colors, those are just little small things. We can actually say to get something, which would require for us to start a process, correct? So let's say instead of saying hello, we want to say get me Google. And then we don't want a message box this time. And what we want to do is we want to start a process. And we don't want to set the back color to red. So we're going to comment that out. We just want to see how this function works right here in getting me Google. So what we have to do is we have to copy this, which is our new command. I'm gonna go up here and take out hello. And let's run the project. Get me Google. So, as you can see, it actually started the process, opened up my web browser, and brought me Google. This is real nice. So, what you're going to have to deal with is recognizing the words whenever you talk or say any type of word. If it's familiar to what you have here or sounds like what you have here, that command will actually run. So if my microphone picked up hablu or blue or blue, then blue will actually set the back color. If I say good day, Sam, good day might pick up on the microphone and it'll set your background to color green or whatever function you have. So I noticed that if there's only a few words, then it's highly likely to mess up. The more words you have on the list of commands or on this list right here, then the likelihood of messing up slim down to almost 30%. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what I've been working on a different type. Let me see. So as you can see, this project I made some new modifications and changed the wording, and little by little I'm filling my grammar um, commands. And what I'm doing is adding a picture box, and this is stage 2. Hello, Lucy. So as you can see, that one is working okay. And when I said hello, Lucy, I can say hello, Lucy, or I can say Lucy, and it's going to grab both cases. And what it responds back to me is, hello, sir. How can I help you today? Should I get system back online? Or should I fetch Alfred for you? So Alfred is going to be the second character that is going to pop up when I call only on Alfred. So this is why I have two sets of picture box. One is going to be for Lucy, the other one is going to be for Alfred. Alfred is picture box 2 and Lucy is picture box 1. So when the system starts, it starts with Lucy, and I don't want Alfred at the same time that Lucy, so I'm setting picture box 1, which is Lucy, dot visible equals true, where picture box 2 dot visible equals false, which is Alfred is picture box 2. So when I call Lucy, I should only see Lucy's face and not Alfred's. When I call Alfred, I should see Alfred's face and not Lucy. So that's why we have picture box 1 dot visible equals false and picture box 2 dot visible equals 2. Then you can actually do some tweaking by giving a width and height of how you want that picture box to show up. Every time it's changing, you want to make sure that it changes to the right setting, height, and width so it doesn't look like it's moving around. So as you can see, still have green here, still have blue, and I have a new one that's called MailPop. So MailPop is a login form to check my emails for Google. And what I have done is I able to log in and I'm able to fetch my email. But that's going to be on another part of this tutorial, and I will show you more about it. So for now, I'm going to end right here in case you guys want to know a little bit more. Please subscribe, throw in some comments. I am new at this. I haven't done it before, but it's kind of pleasant and enjoyable, just for kicks. I'm sure I'll have some bad, negative comments. That's okay. I do take criticism, and that's fine by me. So, if you want to see some other stuff, cool stuff coming up, please um, give me a like, and I'll sure to make sure that I get what you need. Alright? Hey, thanks a lot, YouTube, and have a wonderful day.